everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are having a fabulous day. So today I am unboxing this ginormous POPSUGAR must-have box. And at the end of the video I am going to announce who won the ABH Riviera palette. So definitely stay tuned for that. So like I said, today I'm opening the POPSUGAR must-have box, and yes, I did cover up my address with a Sephora like sticker, whatever that is. Just thought that'd be easier so I can show you how big this box is. So this is a seasonal subscription and it is one of my all-time favorites. It's a little bit pricier, it's $75 per season, but you do get over $300 worth of goodies. I'm so proud of myself. I think I only know one spoiler that's coming in here, and it's only because it was a customizable thing that popped up on our page, like what color we wanted. So I know that, but I haven't seen any other videos yet. I'm sure they're out there, but I haven't watched any, and I did not look at any spoilers online or any emails or anything, so this is going to be a surprise. Like, normally I have no self-control, so I've been good lately, and I'm proud of myself. So anyways, let's get unboxing, because this thing is huge, and I'm feeling it'll take a little bit of time to open all of this. Let me get it open. Ooh. Whoa. Oh my gosh, so the box is like, I really like how just you open the tape right here and then it just opens up and it says happiness delivered. This thing is seriously humongous, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, so on top there is a card, or like a little pamphlet I should say, that has all of the goodies in it, and it looks like there's a little sheet that just came out that's like with some promo codes and stuff. So if you see anything you like, let me know. I can give you a promo code if there is one. So I'll keep this nearby to reference, but let's see if there's like a theme or anything. So here's Lisa Sugar. She's the founder of POPSUGAR. She's really cool. I got her book once. I'm guessing it came in a POPSUGAR box, but I don't know. But it says, it's time to recharge and focus your energy on self-care. That's what we're all about in 2019. Whether you're hitting the gym, updating your beauty routine, or concentrating on nutrition, this season's must-have box will take your wellness routine to new heights. We uncovered the quality essentials you'll need to feel better than ever. These hand-picked products are the best of the best. From an expertly designed truffle bag to a high-end paddle brush, you'll quickly see that our picks are top-notch, super useful, and unapologetically indulgent. Treat yourself and enjoy the assortment of goodies that will make you feel and look great. Yay! Alright. If I sound a little weird today, I think I have like allergies for the first time in my life. Like I've maybe had them before, but I just feel really nasally today. So I am sorry if my voice is annoying, because it seems annoying to me. But anyways, the thing I see on top looks like a gym bag or something. Let's get it out of the bag. You guys, I was really good at my workout game for like a week, and then about a week ago, I like overstretched my hip or something and got a little injured. I'm feeling better now, but I just haven't gotten back into it. Does that ever happen to you guys? I need to like just not be afraid of getting hurt again and just go for it. So maybe this will be motivating. I like that the theme is wellness. So this is cute. This is a gym bag. It's by Voray. And there's like, so a handle here, and then there's an option to have the longer handle. This is cool. This seems like good quality. So there's like two side pockets. Let me see, or one side pocket right here. And then like a mesh pocket on the other side. Oh wow, and the inside is super, super spacious. There's like side pockets, a zipped pocket, like another large pocket in here. This is awesome. You can fit so much stuff in here. Let's see how much this is worth. Oh, and look, they show you that you can put your gym shoes in the bottom, so you can keep it separate from all the rest of your stuff. So I know like gym shoes can get a little stinky, so that's awesome. So this is the Voray Burner Gym Duffel Snow Hex Camo, and it is $49.99. Should I read this whole paragraph to you with my bad voice? Oh, well, I will. This duffel is the multitasker bag. It's great for workouts, commuting, or weekend trips. The design includes a separate ventilated shoe pocket as well as a padded front pocket for your smartphone. Magnetic handles keep all your belongings safely together. The adjustable shoulder strap allows you to customize how to wear the bag. Highly functional and yet so easy to use, it will motivate you to get out and go. Well, I hope it does that. And did I say the retail value is $49.99? That seems fair for that. I'm sorry, I forgot to turn the volume off on my phone. Wow, there's so much stuff in here. Okay, I'm just gonna grab whatever I see first. And I really like this brand, and I just finished something by them and I was so sad. It's like OC or O'Shea, I don't know. OSEA. It's an ocean cleanser, mineralize and balance. This brand's pretty pricey. Like, this stuff is good too. They had the best oil. I got in a box of Style a while ago. So what is this? This is a cleanser, like I said. So it's non-toxic, vegan, cruelty-free. Let's see what it looks like. I have so many cleansers now and I want to use them all. So it says this is for normal, dry, and combo skin. I have pretty much normal skin these days. Oh wow, this is a good size too. So it says, nourishing seaweed cleansing gel formulated with natural organic ingredients, removes impurities and makeup while protecting the skin's natural moisture barrier. Lime, cypress, and juniper oils leave skin feeling energized. Organic aloe delivers mineral-rich hydration. I am super excited to use this, and this is like good material. This is like kind of heavy. Let's see how much this costs. I'm guessing this is like $65. I don't know, maybe more. Let's see. Let's see if my guessing game's on point. Where are you? Now I'm like getting, oh, I overshot it, but that's a good thing. It's $44. I just knew like their oil was maybe $65. I don't know. But anyways, this says, put a fresh face forward this spring with an indulgent and effective cleanser. This organic seaweed cleansing gel gently removes surface impurities and excess oils while maintaining a hydrated, healthy looking complexion. Lime, cypress, and juniper energize the skin to wake you up so you're ready to take on the day. Awesome. I'm excited to use this. I got a cleanser too in my FabFitFun, so now I'm like, I gotta get better about cleansing my face at nighttime so then I can use this all faster. So good motivation. All right. Next, I see something by Misio. This is the styling cream to smooth frizz control. It says product with purpose, fighting human trafficking. Oh yeah, I was just talking about human trafficking yesterday. Like, I've been hearing so much more about it, and I heard that Milwaukee is like the pub of human trafficking, which is shocking to me. But anyways, it says, for a frizz-free blow dry, this cream will allow you to style with ease. Use it to smooth, control frizz, and add volume, thermal protection, and shine to your style. A blend of antioxidant-rich extracts and hydrating oils nourish for each use. So it looks like you just put a dime size and damp hair, blow dry. Okay, cool. I'm bad about using like products when I blow dry. I do use like a heat protectant, like detangler, so I guess that's good. But I could use this. I have so much stuff now. I can't wait till I use it all. I'm like, can you tell that I like get so happy like when I open boxes? I was feeling kind of crummy before filming, and now I'm just like, yay. So this is $26. It says, once you get your hands on this product, you'll carry it with you everywhere. For a frizz-free blow dry, this cream allows you to style your hair effortlessly. Use it to smooth, control frizz, and add volume, thermal protection, and shine to your style. This formula, oh, I already read that, all this stuff. So it says it's a perfect bottle to toss in your gym bag for easy styling on the go. I honestly never go to the gym, but maybe one day I'll join one. Okay. Next thing I see, this is the one thing I knew about. So this was a necklace. And we could have either chose gold or silver. I think I put up a poll on Instagram, so you guys help me pick, but I picked gold. It's like a little moon with some gems. Let me take it out of the bag. It looks like it's reflecting from the ring light. This is so delicate and pretty. Yeah, this is, did I say that? It's by Chris Nations. There's like super pretty little gems in there. I'm glad I chose gold. This looks cute. Ignore my nails, they're so grown out. I have to go get them done. Whoa, this is from 18 karat, or made of 18 karat gold. It's 16 to 18 inches, adjustable length necklace. I love when they're adjustable. Let's see how much this baby costs. So this is called the Opalescent Moon Necklace, and it is $68. Didn't I just say that number for the cleanser? Or I said 65. So here's a picture. You could see the silver option. Hopefully, I just held that in front of me. So this says, this delicate necklace is the perfect layering piece with a touch of personality. Chris Nations wanted to make a special design that's unique, dreamy, and beautiful. The moon shape represents gentleness, sensitivity, compassion, and connection with others. Whether you opt for gold or silver, this lovely necklace will be your new go-to. It's super cute. I'm excited to have it. The next thing I see says Anna on it. I'm not sure what this is. It's kind of heavy. I feel like I have hair on my lip. Hold on. I seriously have cat hair all over me all times, and when it's on my face when I'm filming it drives me nuts, but I couldn't get it off, and this video is gonna go on forever, so let's just keep going. I'll put up with it. What is this? Oh, it's a clock? I just see because it says Anna to start the clock and set the time. Like just directions. That's cool. I mean, I haven't even seen it yet, but that sounds cool. Oh, this is cool. Looks like it's already on, but I don't know if the time is right. Oh, and it says something on here. It says, your time is 1. Wait, is now. It's upside down. Oh, you can see it this way. Can you guys see that? Your time is now. And this is the clock, so this is like glass. I think this is cute. So you could put this on your desk. Awesome. I normally use my phone to look at the time, but I like clocks just for like the aesthetic purposes, and I mean, I could use it for time too. Let's see. So this is the Anna New York Vola Lucite clock, retail value of $85. Wow. It says this sleek modern clock seamlessly works with any style of decor. This Lucite, I might be saying that word wrong, base looks great in any office, bedroom, or living room. Etched at the bottom of this clock, you'll see your time is now. And we truly believe this. Seize the day and stay on schedule with this sweet gift to yourself. That's so cute. I'm happy to have that. Okay, I see a snack. This, oh my god, looks so good. Daydreaming about donuts. Yeah, it's a protein bar. 200 calories, 12 grams of protein. It's by True Women. No gluten, no sugar alcohols, no dairy, no soy, 100% plant-based. Oh my gosh. I think I've had a protein bar that was donut flavored before, like from a Fit Lifestyle box, and it was really good. I wonder if this is like a bonus item or if this isn't. Let's see if it says anything about it in here. Yeah, it says Daydream About Donuts, plant-fueled protein bar, and this is $2.79. Awesome, that sounds really good. And then, let's see what this is. Is this like a headband? Because I kind of saw it when I was flipping through the pages. I think there is a headband. Oh, nice. Yeah, this is like a black stretchy headband. It is made of 94% organic cotton, 6% spandex. And there's like a little frog logo or something like that. So this will be good for working out. I hate when my hair's in my face. Like I was just talking about like hair in my mouth. I mean, that was cat hair, but my hair is everywhere too. So this is by Manduka. It's a 4-inch headband. It is $4, which is a good price, I would say. You know, sometimes they overprice stuff like that. It says, keep your hair to your face with this cotton headband that our fitness gurus are obsessed with. The no-slip design means it will stay put without any adjusting throughout the day. Consider this your new favorite hair accessory. And it looks like you could have gotten black or white. I'm glad I got the black because my hair color, but you can see this woman here has a white headband with darker hair. That looks cute. Yay. Okay, there's, oh nice. I could always use some more of these. It's a paddle brush. Actually when I was with my mom in Chattanooga, she let me keep her Aveda paddle brush because mine had just broke. But hey, I like to have one like all around the house. This is the Smooth paddle brush by T3. They're a good brand. Oh my god, I wish I had all these things by them. It's just like their heating brushes, but anyways. Sleek and smooth polish results, ideal for all hair types. Cushion design, heat resistant bristles, soft non-slip handle. I like how it's white and gold. So this is a very practical thing and nice to have. Yeah, this handle is easy to grip. Works well. Yeah, let's see what it says. This is $35. Wow, that is a lot of money for a brush. It says, treat your trusses to the best brush on the market. Nylon bristles and a cushioned paddle brush body join forces to detangle and smooth your hair, no matter if it's wet or dry. The non-slip handle makes sure you have better control while you style your locks. You'll appreciate that the heat-resistant bristles won't be easily damaged when used with the blow dryer. This design is a total game changer. Wow, that's expensive. So it looks like there's some bonus items. It says, P.S. there's more, open this flap. So I'm opening it up. Oh my gosh. This is kind of random, but always needed. Some toothpaste. This is the Sensodyne Pro Enamel Intensive Enamel Repair. I feel like my enamel is pretty weak. I drink a lot of coffee and wine and stuff, so I could totally use this. This is full size. Like, who doesn't need a toothpaste, right? Like, even if you have sensitive teeth, this is for sensitive teeth, so awesome. And then there's some yogi tea, which is always awesome. Some green tea too. It says passion fruit matcha. Oh, I love matcha. Supplies antioxidants to support overall health, and it contains caffeine. Yes, I feel like they always give us tea that does not have caffeine, and I'm like, I like drinks with a purpose. You know, I know it has antioxidants, but I like water, caffeine, and wine. Like, you know, all serve their purposes. I'm super excited to try this. I like green tea and matcha. I haven't had matcha in a long time. See how much caffeine's in this. It has 20 milligrams of caffeine, which isn't much, but that's okay, better than nothing. Can always use a little boost. So that is everything for the spring box. Overall, I think it is really great and all things that you can actually use, you know, like I think it's awesome. So I'm gonna add up the total and I will be right back. All right, so the total, not including those 2 bonus items, is $314.78. So that's good value. And I feel like I'm gonna use all of this stuff. Like, I don't know if it's my all-time favorite box by them, but I'm still very happy with it. I'm trying to think of what was. Because I was getting this POPSUGAR box before they turned seasonal. It used to be monthly, and I've always really enjoyed it. I am super excited to try the face cleanser. I don't know if I'm gonna use this or the Tula one for my FitFun first. I think the clock is adorable. Like, I just have stuff all over in front of me. Like, this is like Christmas. This is great. Like, seriously, we all could use a brush too. I mean, it's crazy that brush costs as much. I'm excited to see like how it works, you know, if it really is better than others. So yeah, I love this box. If you like this, I do have a $20 off code. Or a link. The link will, I think, will automatically apply the code to your cart. It will be in the description box down below. I think there is a wait list for the spring box at this moment, but they're supposed to come back with more boxes. So if you're interested, definitely check that out and save some money. So your first box will be $55. And now let's move on to the giveaway winner. So I am going to put on the screen the random name I selected. This is their YouTube name, so it is public anyway, so I feel okay showing it. So here is the winner. Congratulations, Tina. And I will also show her page where I confirmed that she definitely is subscribed. I can even see that she liked a recent video. So thank you so much for your support, Tina. Please email me. My email is kittiesboxes@gmail.com. That is always in my description box and also on my about page. So thank you to everyone who entered. I am so excited for my next giveaway. I'm like a little less than 400 away from 4,000. So when we hit that, I will do another giveaway. Please give me your ideas of what you guys would like to win. Did you like the whole palette thing? Should I get another palette for us? Or should I give a whole bunch of stuff, like the giveaway for 2,000 subscribers? What's your preference? Please let me know because I want to make you guys happy. But anyways, thank you so much for being here. I love you guys. Bye.